Ahoy, coding adventurers! Welcome to Code Funhouse. Ready for another thrilling quest? Today, we're diving into the world of Python while loops, where the fun never stops until you say so. Get ready to hunt for treasure that's hidden deep within the code. Imagine you're a pirate captain, and this time, the treasure is hidden in a cave that keeps going deeper and deeper. But here's the twist. You can only move forward while your lantern is still glowing. We'll use a while loop to guide you through this endless adventure. In Python, a while loop repeats an action as long as a certain condition is true, just like how you keep exploring the cave as long as your lantern has light. Let's see how it works. Head over to your Code Funhouse IDE and type lantern_light equals 5 while lantern_light. 0:print, open brackets. F, your lantern has, lantern_light, units of light left, keep exploring. Close bracket lantern_light. =1 print, open brackets. Oh no, your lantern has gone out. The treasure hunt ends here. Close bracket. Let's break down what we just did. Step 1, we start with lantern_light equals 5, meaning our lantern has 5 units of light. Step 2, the while loop checks if lantern_light is greater than 0. As long as the light is on, the loop prints how much light is left and decreases the light by 1. The loop keeps going until the lantern's light runs out. When it does, the loop stops and the adventure ends. Let's test it out. The loop will print the message for each unit of light, counting down from 5 to 1. When the light hits 0, the adventure stops, and you know it's time to head back. Challenge time. Now it's your turn, young pirate. Try changing the starting value of lantern_light or adding an extra condition that finds a small treasure at each step. What happens if you accidentally forget to reduce the light? Hint, you might get stuck in an endless loop. Wrapping up, see how the while loop kept you exploring the cave? It's like having a guiding light that takes you deeper and deeper until it's time to stop. Keep practicing your while loops, and soon you'll master the art of endless exploration in Python. Thanks for joining us on this endless treasure hunt. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding adventures. Until next time, keep coding and keep exploring.